How to add manager card. Use a toothpick to press the button inside this hole for 2S until it sounds D. Now let's add 5 manager cards. To sweep. It's the first manager card now. It will sound D one time. Later sweep again and it will sound D again. Then sweep again and it will sound DD. Remember swiping 3 times in total. At this time we can add all the manager cards. There are 5 manager cards in total, which have the functions of configuration, deletion and unlocking. Now it's not working if you want to add 6 cards. How to add user cards. Use any manager card to sweep and sound D. Take one unused card to sweep. It's the first user card. Go on taking rest cards to sweep to add users. You can add 30 user cards in total.